I absolutely love these Automaxx clamps from Kreg. You know, they adjust whatever thickness you put down. You don't have to adjust them. That little bolt's only a tension how far you want it. I use it on a tabletop primarily for clamping stuff straight down, but I built this little hack so I could use on my drill press. You can see how well it works. Right there. So let me show you a little bit about how this clamp usually works, and then I'll show you how I put it on the drill press. Okay, so the way this Kreg Automaxx clamp works is I cut a double pocket here, this pocket, and then a deeper one in the center for that key slot. Put some glue on there and then screwed it down, and that thing just slides in. It's nice because you could just take it out and have a flat bench top. But then as you squeeze down on a single thickness of wood, gotta loosen that up right here on the tension. That's loosened up on the tension. You know, 3/4 inch board, 1.5 inch board, 2 1/4. It'll just automatically adjust the same tension. I had that tension a lot harder on because of the drill press, but you can see how cool this Automaxx clamp is. So what I did to put it on the drill press is I take that, it's a 5/16, 18 threads per inch bolt. I just back it out. And then I drilled a hole in the back of the clamp, and then I tapped it with those 5/16 inch threads. And this is really just so I don't lose it. And then I just screw it in the back there. And then let's go to the drill press. I'll show you how I hooked it up there. Then on the drill press, I have that 5/16 bolt with the T-nut. There's a nut in there. I have that collar that slides through there, through the hole in the plate, that collar. And then this screws into the bottom, same pitch thread. I don't need to screw it in too much, just enough to bite. Once it's bit, then I use a T-nut to tighten it up. And there it is. Whatever you're clamping, you don't have to adjust. The Automaxx does that for you. Again, I just love these clamps. I just thought it was cool to use them in multiple places. If it's here, I might even clamp something down and if I need some chisel work. So, all right. Thank you for watching.